Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can connect your Trust Wallet to Pancakeswap. Now it's pretty simple. After you open Trust Wallet, you just want to click on browser at the bottom right of your screen. Now from browser over here on search, you want to search for Pancakeswap. But in my case, it's being shown over here so I can directly click on it. But for some reason in your screen, if it's not showing, you can always search for it, okay? So I will click on PancakeSwap. Once I click on it, it'll take me to the official website of PancakeSwap. Now on this website, what I can do is I can click and connect at the top right corner of the screen. And once I do that, I need to click on Trust Wallet because I want to connect my Trust Wallet. If you have any other wallet, you can choose that as well. But once I click on Trust Wallet, it's going to show me all these random digits. That is basically the ID of my Trust Wallet. So that means my Trust Wallet has now been connected. Now any transition I do, it's going to be linked with my wallet. Okay, and if I want to disconnect it, I can click on this arrow and click on disconnect and my wallet will be disconnected. That's how simple it is to connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.